Hi viewers, welcome to Cooking My Passion English. This is Purnima Sendil Kumar. In today's recipe, I am going to show you how to prepare pumpkin cutlet. This spicy and super delicious pumpkin cutlet will be a healthy snack for your whole family. Let us quickly check out the ingredients. I took half kg of pumpkin. I peeled the skin completely using a knife and cut into small pieces like this. First we are going to cook this pumpkin in a steamer or a idli pot. The other ingredients are 1 finely chopped onion, 1 finely chopped green chilli for tempering, mustard seeds, urad dal and chana dal, hinge, curry leaves and coriander leaves for garnishing, roasted gram dal 5 tablespoons, 10 to 12 cashews, and for preparing breadcrumbs I have taken rusk. If you don't have rusk at home, you can also use Kellogg's cornflakes or rice flour or corn flour. First we are going to add roasted gram dal in a mixie jar and grind it to a fine powder. Transfer this to a plate. And we are going to add the rusk in the mixie jar and grind to a coarse mixture. You no need to grind finely. Add the rusk in batches and grind to a coarse powder. If you are using Kellogg's cornflakes, you can just do a pulse mode. You no need to grind into fine powder. The breadcrumbs and the roasted gram dal powder is ready. Transfer it to a plate. I have cooked pumpkins in the idli pot for almost 10 to 12 minutes and it has nicely cooked. Switch off the stove and transfer it to a plate. Now let us start sauteing the vegetable. In a kadai or pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil and add all the tempering things, mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal and cashews. Just saute. Add finely chopped onions to this and mix all together. Add chopped curry leaves, add chopped green leaves and sprinkle some hinge. Mix well and add required salt to this mixture. I am adding a teaspoon of red chilli flakes. You can also add chilli powder to it. And finally I am adding the cooked pumpkin to this and giving a quick mix. Mix for almost 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, mash the vegetables using a masher. Like this, you can easily mash it as the pumpkins are nicely cooked. After mashing the pumpkins, garnish with coriander leaves. Give a quick mix and switch off the stove and transfer it to a plate and cool down completely. After it has cooled down, it becomes a thick mixture. You can take a small mixture of the pumpkin curry and make small balls and coat it with roasted gram dal and then coat it with breadcrumbs. You can make desired shape of your choice. The pumpkin mixture will be little sticky. Grease your hands with little oil. First coat it with roasted gram dal mixture and flat it inside your palms and coat it with breadcrumbs and keep it in a plate. If you find it difficult in making shapes, you can just add breadcrumbs to the mixture. Add only the breadcrumbs, you no need to add the roasted gram dal, it becomes more sticky. So just add the breadcrumbs to the mixture and give a quick mix. Mix well, you will get a nice dough-like mixture. You can easily make shapes out of the mixture. After mixing well thoroughly, you can start making shapes with the mixture. Take a small medium sized ball and start making shapes between your palms and coat it with breadcrumbs. Flatten into medium sized thick pieces. Now the cutlets are ready to fry. We can preheat a tawa. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil to the tawa. Now place gently the prepared cutlets. Add enough oil and fry on both sides till nice brown and crisp. Once you have fried both sides, you can just arrange the cutlet in the sides of the tawa so that excess oil will drain it up. Both sides should become nice brown color. You will get a nice crispy outer coating as we have added roasted gram dal and breadcrumbs to the cutlet. Crispy and spicy pumpkin cutlet is getting ready. Once done, you can transfer it to a plate. Serve it up with tomato sauce. This super delicious pumpkin cutlet is a healthy snack for your whole family, and also kids who avoid eating vegetables can also be fed with this, and they could not find the vegetables what is kept inside. And also the kids love the taste of this cutlet. This spicy and crispy pumpkin cutlet is a wonderful appetizer. You can try this at home and provide comments for me. Please do subscribe for my channel for more interesting recipes. Thanks for watching this video.